What's up, y'all? It's your boy Black Iowa, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. Now today, I've got a very special episode lined up for you. Got a special recipe for you. So let's go ahead and let's get it started, baby. Right, stewed hamburgers. My grandma's famous stewed hamburgers. You know, my grandma, she raised 6 kids, and sometimes pickings were just slim around the house, you know. She had to use what she had, use what she could find and put it together, and that's one thing that I learned from her. You look around, people say, well, there's nothing in here to eat. Well, bullshit. Take a look around. Some of that goes together, and you can make a damn good meal out of it. It's one thing I'll always be thankful to her for, is teaching me that. Her and my dad both, you know, because my dad, he learned it all from her, passed it on to me, and now I want to pass some of it on to you. I want you to know it doesn't take a lot of money, it doesn't take some crazy, you know, you can look around your house and say, well, that'll work, that'll work, that'll work. Make something of your own, make something great. Make some cabinet stew. I'll have to show you cabinet stew one time. But, you know, my grandma, without her, none of this would be happening right now, so this episode is dedicated to you, Grandma. We love you. Go ahead and get a big piece of meat and ball it up just like a big softball. You want to make sure that you make a big old burger, because when you put it into the pan, it's going to shrink. And go ahead and sing to it. Say, sweet, sweet, sweet meat, how you doing? I missed you, baby. Once you get it all pattied up, go ahead and put it right in that hot pan. Put a little salt and pepper on there, flip it over a few times. And while you got it in there, you can go ahead and search the cabinet and try to find something to go with it. Robin's eggs, that's not gonna work. A banana, a baseball. Nah, hell no, we ain't cooking no baseball. But we got some potatoes in there, baby. We can cut them up and make fried potatoes. Make sure you wash them off first and go ahead and just cut them up. And get down with your bad self while you're doing it. Once those burgers look just about done, go ahead and open up your crushed tomatoes. Grandma would tell me to use stewed tomatoes, but that's what I had in the house, Grandma, I'm sorry. So we're gonna use crushed tomatoes today. Put it all on the top, let it stew, and there it is, baby. The beautiful stewed hamburgers. Get the hot oil, put the potatoes in, let them fry, and there they are, baby. And we're ready to have a first bite, just for us. Alright, baby, the time has come. The stewed hamburgers are done, and I'm gonna have the first bite for myself. It's good. It's really good. But it'll never be Grandma's. Well, I hope y'all have enjoyed this episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. Make sure to like and subscribe and watch all my other cooking videos right here on YouTube. Y'all have a good one. Peace.